What's up, guys? Welcome back to another week. Today we're doing another shaken one. This is actually a Hemingway one. We're gonna be doing the Hemingway Daiquiri. All right, let's just get into it. First thing we are gonna need is 60 mils of a white rum, 15 mil of maraschino liqueur, 22 mil of a lime juice, 15 mil grapefruit juice, and we're gonna give that a good shake. Pull out our Nick and Nora, we'll pull it in there, and we're gonna garnish this one off with a lime wheel. And that is all it is, guys. 4 ingredients, pretty damn simple. It is a daiquiri, right? So you get your rum, you get your lime. The one thing that this is missing is sugar. We have 2 citruses and 2 spirits, but we don't have any sugar. So the reason for that is because Hemingway liked his drinks very fucking dry. Okay, a lot of people will put sugar into this to sweeten it up a little bit. Not everyone likes super dry drinks. Okay, so the Hemingway Daiquiri was actually created at the El Floridita bar in Havana, Cuba, which is a bar that Hemingway used to frequent very often in the 1930s. Okay, this drink is also kind of known as like the Papa Doble. Papa Doble? I think it's called the Papa Doble, which could have been the original drink. So like the story goes that Hemingway walked into the bar and he saw this and like the bartender was making this, right? He had the drink and he was like, this is really good. Can I have one without sugar? So, you know, the Hemingway part, there's no sugar. The Papa Doble part is with sugar. Yeah, I mean, it's fucking dry, but it's not super dry. Like, it's not too dry for me, but it's definitely too dry for a lot of people. Even for myself, I would probably prefer to put a little bit of sugar in this, like even like 5 to 10, right? I wouldn't go full half ounce, but I'd go 5 to 10 mil, and then just sweeten up a little bit. The maraschino liqueur is a liqueur made from cherries, but it is not a cherry liqueur. Okay, maraschino liqueur is more of a bitter dry liqueur. The difference between maraschino and cherry liqueur is that cherry liqueur is typically a spirit, like a neutral grain spirit that is infused with cherries. Okay, meanwhile maraschino liqueur is a liqueur or a spirit that is actually made of cherries. It's made of marasca cherries. Okay, so that's where we're gonna get our differences, and they don't substitute each other like at all. Okay, they're very, very different. But yeah, like the drink itself, it's nice. Probably add a little bit of sugar. You know, it is optional. Do what you can. Do what you feel like. Even though this is a Hemingway drink, there's no absinthe in it, which is kind of interesting. I actually feel like this would be a little bit better with maybe an absinthe rinse in the glass. But that's just because I like absinthe, so it's probably just a me thing. I don't know. But anyways, guys, that is all that I have for you today. If you like what I do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you have any cocktails you think I should be making on this channel, let me know in the comments, all right? Or if you just want to say hi, I'll say hi back. Hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be having more of these every single week. But until next time, guys, keep stirring and cheers.